Finishing what I started isn't really in my nature, but I'm just blaming disability and quickly getting over with it. I'll draw it for you. There you go, a piece of art. I'm an artist now. Ah, well done me. High five, low five, whatever. Welcome again to a boring episode of me gardening. This time is going to be mostly DIY, as I need to do something with the tomatoes. They're growing already. I need to tie them up somehow. And since I'm having all my tools ready, I'll build something for the wisteria as well. Tomatoes are gonna be like 1.5 meters high, maybe even more, but wisteria can grow up to 3 meters a year. And I'd like to ask for your support as well, not financial one. I need comments. It costs nothing, just a bit of time, but it would be really helpful if you can just tell me what you don't like about my videos, because I'm getting a lot of positive reviews, a lot of positive feedback, and I'm absolutely grateful for it. But I need to know what I'm doing wrong, actually. Because, you know, I'm just a beginner YouTuber, and in order to improve, I need to improve. Please do express your feedback. Like the guy in the last video mentioned, that I can't be saying that I'm planting tomatoes. Tomatoes are fruits, and I'm planting tomatoes plants. Maybe he's right, maybe he's wrong. Doesn't matter. Usually I know better. Maybe not this time. But anyways, let's get back to today's episode. It will cost me nothing, as I'm having all my wood leftovers ready on a terrace. Pallet wood that I used in a past project. My plan is to use as much as possible and then throw out the rest. Because as you probably noticed, I live in a block. I shouldn't be storing things up. And maybe I will finish my storage box, like the cover of it. I mean, it's not likely to happen, but I'll do my best. Finishing what I started isn't really in my nature, but I'm just blaming disability and quickly getting over with it. How simple is that? So let's just go for it. Let's build something, some support for the tomatoes, for the tomato plants. Yep, let's just do something. My plan is to make it really simple as possible, and I also need something that I can be taking off for the winter time, right? So I decided to make it this way. I'll draw it for you. There you go, a piece of art. I'm an artist now. So I would say I need around 8 3x3s. It's 2.5, but this should do as well. Tomatoes are not going to be heavy, right? Sanding will definitely take too long, so I'll use something better. Ow, fuck me. Haha! Well done, me. High five, low five, whatever. I did it. I'm a genius. Except of that tying it with a string part. I should have used like a screw or something. Yeah, but besides of that, I'm fully genius. It took me around 6 hours, I would say. Like an hour of that paint thingy to dry. I guess that's enough for today. I thought I would still have time to build that wisteria thingy as well, but not a chance. Not today. It's 5 p.m. I need to clean the tools and I'll do the wisteria part tomorrow maybe. Also, you may ask, why is this paint orange? It's not paint. Is it varnish? It's something that adds color and gets into the structure of the wood for outside use, obviously. 3 years ago I've built this one and I've sent my girlfriend to the shop and she was like, is teak color alright for you? Teak, tack, I don't know. You know what I mean, right? The wood color. And I was like, yes, absolutely. I didn't know what color was that. And she brought this one, brought the orange one. The older it gets, the better it looks. Since I started with this one, then I've built another one, another raised bed. I still had those leftovers from the previous job. So I started to paint another raised bed, orange. And I ran out of that paint in the middle of the job. So I went to the shop, I had to buy another orange paint, varnish, protector, whatever it is. And now I'm stuck with 4 more liters of orange paint. It's a bit too late to refresh this one. I'll do it in the autumn. What else? Yep, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, obviously share, and hit that the ring thingy, the ringing thingy, the bell. Don't forget to visit my GoFundMe, Patreons, buy me a coffee, whatever, so I can actually hire someone to do my job, and I'll travel around the world. See you tomorrow. I totally forgot to attach them somehow, so I'll do it now. Alright, do tell if this one's alright. I've left a bit of a loop. Actually, while I'm here, I can also show you the loan update from the leveling, from the sanding project. It's gonna be 2 weeks on Thursday. So when I will post it, it's gonna be 16 days from the loan sanding from the kimchi. She was trying to eat bumblebee. They actually made a nest behind that raised bed. So yeah, maybe I'll show it to you from the top perspective so you can have a look. It looks awesome in my opinion. So this is how it looks like. I'm only using that rubber mower, nothing else. That's why it's not so, you know, straight, pulled up. And I was literally stomping on it for a whole day, riding on top of it. Let's check this perspective. Nothing. Some small spots like this one, but it's, I would say I did a massive job. Lovely one.